Mercedes-Benz. They make some of the most beautiful and luxurious cars on the road with all kinds of features. Now, what better to have in Florida than a convertible? Well, it's lovely right up until the hydraulic rams fail in order to put the top up and down. Yeah, there's two hydraulic cylinders. You can sort of see one down in there. It's that silver component in the middle there on each side, and they go through the process of putting the top up and down. But when they fail, you literally have to gut the car to get to them in order to have them repaired or replaced. Now, we do this all the time, so we're pretty efficient at it, but it's still a 5-6 hour job coming apart and going back together. So if you have a Mercedes, BMW, any import or domestic car that needs hydraulic rams for the top, bring it to Pals. Lester will do you right. Talk to you soon at Pals.